This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, okay. And I'm sorry for the yesterday, guys. Yesterday, actually, some network problem. Some even I was not able to send message also. Extremely sorry for that, for your inconvenience. Okay. Yeah. So still services did not came up. Huh? Can you please log into the slave machine once? Actually, they by this time they should come up. Log into the slave machine putty session. I think we haven't started the service. That's the so for NRPE we have the service. Okay. So that NRPE service, let me start. I think we haven't started, right? Guys, everybody mute yourself. It is your responsibility, guys. We have to cooperate with the class. So you should mute yourself. Okay. So guys, there is a service actually for NRPA. I think we haven't started that after our installation. Can you show me my document? The agent document. Yeah. Yes, this one. Can you find out what is the service name? No, it's master, not client. The other document, this one. Okay, come down, come down, come down. Wait, come down, come down, come down, come down. Okay. Okay. How to start NAD. So I'm just checking the service name, guys. That is a service name for NRP. Okay. So I'm trying to restart. Can you please copy this command? Restart command. Open putty session. Uh, Paste it. Yes. Is it installed properly then? Service XNAD status. Okay, let's start. Restart. Okay. Now let's see that. I restarted. Now wait for some time. We will see now. It should come up. Because guys, if you remember, after installation, we haven't restarted this. We haven't started this. Actually, XNAD is not only for our agent NRP. So there are different things available in the different services are part of this XNAD. So our NRP also part of this XNAD service. I hope everybody know what is service. Service is nothing but backend program which runs for our application. Okay, now so to start our application, generally we start our service. Okay, now so that service is a program. It runs in the background for our application. So here for NRPE, this is the service XNAD. So I restarted it. Let's see that. Now it should come up, or else we'll why it is not reaching. Yeah, see, I think it's coming up now. Previously 7, 9, right? And 12 and 9. Now see, one by one it's reducing. Now it's 13 and one warning. We'll see that what is that warning. So we haven't restarted. That was the problem. We haven't started. We haven't restarted or started the service. So that's the reason your services did not came up. So like this, guys, every service, so host information and server information, service information. Host means your agent, your Linux box or Windows box, anything you can monitor, guys. And here services means your what I can say within the host, your CPU, your memory. See, now it's 15, only 5. So it's updating. One by one, it is coming up here. You don't need to refresh, just automatically it will be refreshed. The screen will be, see, now it's 15, only 5. So they are also they also will come up. Wait for some time. So like this, any number of posts you can add it into your Nagios dashboard, guys. So now onwards, simple. Like you no need to bother about the availability. If something happened, server down, or else what I can say. So one of the application is down, or service down, CPU is crossing 70 percentage, memory is crossing 70 percentage. Okay, na simply they will come up automatically. You no need to bother about. See now it's 17. So actually, what is 17 means number of services within the host. So I am monitoring two hosts. One is the local host, means same host where I install NAGIOS. One more is the other agent. Okay, now. So guys, what you have to try after the class? I added CentOS. You try for Ubuntu. You try for Windows. Okay, now you try for other type of operating systems also, if just for practice purpose. Okay, see, 17 came up now. Only three. They also will come up. Don't worry. Now, what is this warning? Let's see that. It's saying that it seems you have some update pending in your operating system. We'll do that. Let's do. Can you run m update command? It's a brand new system, right? So guys, always remember one more thing. Whenever you create any operating system, anywhere, not only in AWS, I'm talking about. Okay, na ikkadaina sare, anywhere when you install operating system, it can be Windows, it can be Linux, it can be Red Hat Linux, CentOS. First run this command, update your image, update your OS, because the image which you have taken, okay na, to install our operating system, maybe it might be created around 6 months back. Okay na, 6 months back I create someone created that image. Now that image I used to create my operating system. So since 6 months no update in that image, obviously no latest updates in my OS also. So always run this command as the first command. మీరు లాగిన్ అవ్వగానే చేయాల్సిన ఫస్ట్ కమాండ్ ఏంటి? ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ బ్రాండ్ న్యూ సిస్టమ్, నాట్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్, ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ న్యూ సిస్టమ్. ఆల్రెడీ వాడుతున్న సిస్టమ్ చేయొద్దు. ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ సిస్టమ్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ టచ్ ఇట్. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ రన్ దిస్. Only on brand new server. If it is a latest, just brand new easy to install or brand new operating system, then only you have to do it, guys. Not every day. Okay, please don't do that. See, this many updates pending because the image which I have taken maybe created like 3 months back, 4 months back, 5 months back. So those updates will be updated here. So in some time, by the once it is completed, so my issue also will be resolved here. It will see everything came up 20. Only one is warning. So that also I'm trying to resolve. So once it is completed, So that issue also will be resolved here. So in this way, we can reduce our efforts, guys. So we can reduce our efforts. You no need to just bother about the availability now. Okay, now. So guys, why, as I told, monitoring required. So if something happened before happening itself, we are trying to resolve. We can try to resolve. Example CPU. If it is 70%, I can log in. Guys, utilization is 70 percentage. Example, I have 2 cores. Okay, now it's almost using one more than 1.5 core. So like my utilization is more now. So now I can resolve something. I can reduce the load on your server something if you know that point of time. Okay, now you can log into the server. You can check which process consuming which how much CPU. How can I know that, guys? Which process consuming how much CPU? Do you know that? How can I check that? Let me open one more session. It seems that taking some time. How much time, guys? How can I know what is the process? Which process is consuming more CPU?
Top is
Top command. So if you go to top command here, so if you press shift P or capital P, okay, now it will show you CPU order, guys. So see, CPU order it is. So these are the process names. Okay, now right now I don't have much. Why? Because nothing is running in my system. No, no application running. Nothing is running. Right, basic. Just Nagios, except Nagios, nothing. No one is using this application. So that's the reason CPU is very less. But if at all, if someone is some application running here, so that application is used by like connected by multiple users, so then you can see the utilization here. So this process consuming this much CPU. So now what I can do, I will ask application team, why this process taking this much application, this much CPU? Is it a regular basis or only today? If it is only today, why? Okay, now. So is there any additional jobs running? Additional load is there in the server? I mean, extra users వచ్చారా ఈరోజు? Why like that? Okay, now if it is regular basis, I will ask him to like a request for additional CPU. Because every day I will get the alerts if it crosses the 70 percentage. If it is not regular basis, I will ask him, please housekeep it. Please check, is there any sometimes maybe some backup jobs running in the background. Okay, now so that time you may get additional load, some additional. Sometimes, guys, they will do manual spike also. Manually, they artificially they will do the stress test, guys. Stress test means if this much load, this many users connected, how much load will be there in your server to get more performance, guys. If they do that kind of stress test, they can they will come to know that how much resources, how many resources they need. So based on that, they will request us. So that time also, like your this spike might be there, CPU and memory. Okay, so let's see, is it done? Yeah, it's completed. Now let's see, my warning also should go in some time. Yeah, see, my warning gone, that M update. So all clean now, no issues at all. See, nothing is there. Even host also up and running. Okay, now without issue. Green color means no issues, healthy, guys. Something warning means not a critical, but there might be problem in later scenarios, maybe after some time. Critical means you have to take care. Already crossed 70 percentage. Oh, and every 5 minutes you will get the alert until you clear that, guys. until you clear that. If you see here, so see 21 services mean this is my Nagios agent. Maybe some application running here. Okay, now see what are the things I'm managing? I'm managing the disk utilization. I mean the flash file system, CPU statistics, cron job, load, memory, open files, ping. Ping means server status, infrastructure status. Okay.
So
So
there
next,
21 is there, right?
yes,
Yeah, that is like a process.
not process. The different things I'm monitoring in each host. Here, two hosts are there, right? From
Yeah.
two hosts, I'm monitoring 21 things in the two hosts. Like I'm monitoring the storage, I'm monitoring the. So each one is one component here. See, this is one, two, three. So all the in this server, okay, now in my slave machine is there, right? This one. So in this server, I am monitoring this many things. నేను డిస్క్ చెక్ చేస్తున్నా, ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ ద డిస్క్, ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ ద స్టోరేజ్, ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ ద మెమొరీ, ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ ద number of users, I'm checking what is there any updates in that server, I'm checking how many open files are there, so what is the memory utilization. So based on that, like if any issues happen, it will show you in red color or blue, sorry, that yellow color. Yellow color means warning, about to, like again cross the threshold value, and critical means already cross the threshold value. So guys, what is threshold value? So like if based on your criticality, you will set some value. Okay, example, for production server ante enti, what is meant by production server? So if something very critical, some website, okay, now customers using that website, if this website is down, customer will be impacted with maybe financially, or else even me also. Example, it's a net banking website, very mission critical application it is. Then at any point of time application should up and running, no issues at all. Okay, now so I'll make it 60 percentage as a CPU utilization, and a 60% auto that at any cost. So I'll make it as a critical, 60% as a critical. So if it cross 60%, you will get immediately alert. Hey, something happening in that server. Please check it. Immediately I log into the server. There I will try to housekeep my like things. So I will check top command. What is happening? Why it is maybe utilizing more? So I'll check with application team. So different things I will do, and I will try to reduce the utilization. Okay, na? So that is what. So as I told yesterday, generally monitoring we don't do. It is not DevOps team responsibility. DevOps team వాళ్ళు చూడరు, but you should know the concept, how monitoring is happening, why monitoring is required. So that is where I showed you this Nagios, and I will show you now the mail configuration also. How to set up the mail configuration also. ఇంకా చాలా guys, monitoring again, it's one of the administration. Okay, na Nagios is one of the, again it has separate administration. Okay, so there are so many things to learn, but anta manaku avasaram ledhu. This is not our responsibility. Even I never done that much, but you should know how to configure, how to add your like agents, agent machine to monitor, how to set up the mail. Only that is enough. Okay, so now I'm showing mail configuration. If something happen, immediately you will get the mail alert also. Even you no need to look into the dashboard every time, guys. My dashboard చూడాల్సిన పని కూడా లేదు. ఓకేనా, so we can set up the mail alerts actually. Configure mail settings. Generally, in our office, we will be having our Outlook, guys, separate mail server for your office. Okay, na? So there will be mail admin, separate mail admin. That is also big administration, guys. Okay, now mail team will be there. They used to take care of the mail configuration for entire your project. You'll be having with your office domain one mail ID, right? Example, my name is Amar. So Amar dot my initial at the rate like ibm.com. So that email will be there, right? So basically there will be your own mail server to manage this mails and all. Okay, now. So as of now, what I will do, I will show you Gmail, like how to use Gmail. But the similar way, you can use the Outlook also. So here you need your Outlook team help. Okay, now you have to check with them. I need few details from the Outlook team. As I told, your mail team will be there, right? Mail admin. So I have to check with him. What details I need means click on SMTP. Okay, na? Here your mail server name will be there, that URL. That URL you have to add here. Okay, now that mail server URL and what is the port number they are using for that mail server. Okay, and your admin mail ID password. Guys, generally for every project, example, I'm DevOps admin. I am configuring this. So for DevOps team, there will be admin email ID, not personal name. Again, everybody has their own username password generally. But along with that, one common user, admin user. So those email IDs we will provide here, not person, because persons may leave from the company. We cannot rely on the persons. Okay, now it should be admin, common email ID. So you will get your DevOps team admin ID, admin user email ID and password or distribution name. Okay, now so that username and password you have to provide here. So these details who will provide? Your mail admin. Your Outlook team will be there, right, in your project. They will provide these details. But as of now, as we don't have Outlook now, okay, now we will go with Gmail. So Gmail server port number. Can you go to Google? Can you please type Gmail SMTP details? Hmm. So these are the Gmail settings, guys. As we don't have Outlook now, okay, na, in like our office details, we are going with these details. Can you copy this first one? Oh, no, no, only first one. Only first one. Gmail.com varke. Copy that. Paste your SMTP server. So from Nagios, I want to send an email with the help of my Gmail server. That is the reason I added my Gmail settings here. Yeah, port number 465. So from there only I got it. Okay, na? So see this one 465. Use your email address, your Gmail, anything. And password it won't work out. Guys, because this is not Gmail application, right? You are inside a NAGIOS. For security setting, Gmail application won't allow the password everywhere. This is not Gmail application, right? Can you please open your Gmail application? Log into your Gmail, same Gmail. The email which you are using now, right? The same Gmail. Is it same Gmail? Same Gmail, same mail ID, which you given there. Okay. Manage your Google settings. Oh. Security. Come down. Come down. Come down. Two-step verification. Hmm. Hmm. So guys, for security purpose, they are not allowing to use the password directly in other application. Now here in Nagios, I am using Gmail, right? So they don't allow password directly. Okay, two-step verification is on now. Now what should I do? Go back to the same place, security. Hmm. Click on security button. Now come down. App passwords. App passwords here. Hmm. Okay, great. Yeah. Other Nagios. Nagios. Hmm. Generate. Okay, so copy this. You have to save this somewhere. Copy this. Hmm. So this only we have to use. Go to your Nagios now. Go to your Nagios dashboard. Paste your token. The token just now we got it, right? Hmm. Okay. Now select SSL. So these are all options from that SMTP settings, guys. If it is your project, okay, now your office, these details will be given by your office Gmail team. That Outlook team will be there. who managing your application and all. Okay, na? So they will provide all these details to you. So as of now, but time being, I'm using my Gmail settings. Okay, na? Then update settings. Okay. Now send a test email. Now meanwhile, I have to do one more setting also. There, change your email address. Can you please change this email address? Use your email address. Any other. You can use any other email address. Hmm. If you have one more, or same also fine, no issues. Generally, we'll give our group mail ID. Okay. Yeah. Now save it. Come down. Update setting. Your current password to change password or okay. Use your NAGIOS password here. So it seems to update these details. It is asking current password. Your NAGIOS password. You copied, right, your NAGIOS password. That password, not email password. Okay. Yeah. Is it the same one which you copied yesterday?
For WhatsApp.
NAGIOS password. Yesterday, while creating the NAGIOS, while installing NAGIOS master,
Yeah, this one only.
got that.
You only created for this one.
Then paste it.
Unadditional.
Yes. Then paste it. Come down and save it.
No new password, sir.
No, not required. Only current password is it. Okay. Yeah. Successfully updated. Next, go back to test notification. Let's test it. Okay. Can you please check now your email? You may get test email. Yeah. See, successfully I got the test email, guys. Mail configuration completed successfully. Okay, na? So now onwards, you'll get the alerts. If something happen, if server down, see when you will get the alerts. So you can select all of these. Critical message, host acknowledgement, host recovery, host down. Okay, na service. For everything you will get the alerts, guys. Okay, na. So then notification method, email. Okay, so next notification messages. Messages allows the example if one host is down. Guys, here see these will be replaced by your NAGIOS. Okay, na. So because host information that what exactly like a problem, the CPU utilization or something like right status. So if it is host, you will get this email, this subject line, this body of the message, body of the mail. If something happen, Example, my host is down, or else example, my service is having problem. It is critical. It is cross the 70 percentage. Okay, na? Immediately you will get the alert, guys. Okay, so now onwards, even you no need to bother about the like just dashboard also. You no need to look into this. Generally, guys, for every 5-10 minutes, we will look into our emails. That is mandatory because our clients, okay, our users, developer, tester, application team, if they need anything, they will send an email as well as ticket also. Generally ticketing tools also will be there. What is ticketing tool? Example, if you use any mobile applications like ICICI, Airtel, or any internet related application, so they will ask you to raise a support case, the support ticket, right? Example, you are using phone pay. In phone pay also something problem, what you will do, you will click on support button. There it will give you multiple options like sub description, subject description, and also like a body. There you can give your comments, right? Similar way, there will be some ticketing tools available in real time. Okay, na, like service now, remedy, these are called as ticketing tools. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్లీ అవన్నీ సపరేట్ టీమ్ చూసుకుంటారు గైస్, మనకు అవసరం లేదు. సో హూ విల్ సెటప్ దోస్ టికెటింగ్ టూల్స్? దెర్ విల్ బి separate team. So they will create the like this service now setup or remedy setup in every laptop. Okay, na? So I also will have that service now. If I open it, there I can see my tickets which are assigned to my group, devops group. So users will send a like assign the ticket, as well as they will send an email also. So every time, every 5-10 minutes, we have to check our emails as well as service now ticketing tool also. Just a minute, guys. Okay, so we have to check service now ticket or remedy. Remedy also ticketing tool, guys. There are multiple ticketing tools. It's up to you based on your project. Or else few companies, they develop their own ticketing tool also. There you will get the tickets. Okay, so from customers and email. So continuously we will check those things. You no need to come here again. మనకి అసలు దీంతో పనే లేదు ఇంకా. Once you set up this dashboard, once you add your agent, so you no need to come here until unless to do any configuration. Okay, so one more thing, can you please go back to let me give you my Google Drive, guys. Let me post my Google Drive information, just a minute, in WhatsApp group. Everybody, so Avinash, can you please open my Google Drive? So guys, there is huge information available in my Google Drive, so please try to utilize that. Just a minute, I'm providing. Okay, even if anybody did not receive also, please ping me. I will provide you this Google Drive link, guys. There are huge information available in my Google Drive, guys. All real-time documents. Okay, so even the topics which I don't cover, those notes also available. So I used to gather from students only, guys. Okay, so from my projects, from my students, even if you have any good like useful document, please send it to me, guys. I will keep it here. Okay, when it comes to my class notes, can you please go to class notes? Class notes, DevOps class notes. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so here you can see interview preparation documents also, guys, for our uh, topic. Along with that, go back. So, guys, your cooperation is must and should here. Simply don't expect everything from the trainer. Now, nowhere, not only here, there are so many things apart from the class you have to learn. Class తో పాటు మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని కూడా minimum 4 to 5 hours you have to spend a day per day. Okay, na. So there are so many other things to learn. Here, if you go to NAGIOS, sorry, I think not here, come out. Actually, there is one more distribution also, one more version also. NAGIOS providing so many other versions, guys. Just for your information, I'm showing. If required, if you want, if you are interested, you can try this also. Command line. Manually also you can install your NAGIOS. Guys, this is one more version. This is called as NAGIOS core. Okay, just for your information, if you are interested, you can try this also. Always better to go with multiple things, guys. Okay, now along with the class, you have to work on different things to understand, to get it more knowledge. Okay, na? So make sure that this also you should go through with without fail. Okay, so just for your information. So Nagios XI, whatever I installed, right, that is called as Nagios XI, guys. This is Nagios XI. Okay, now different distribution, guys, different version. Every application has multiple versions, right? So additional functionality you will get here when compared to core. So this is more very easy to set up when compared to Nagios core. Core is a older version, previous version. Okay, so this is about monitoring, guys. How to set up monitoring for your servers, for your infrastructure, for your services like CPU, memory, storage. Okay, na? For all of them, you can monitor. You can add this monitoring so that now onwards you no need to bother. You no need to bother about the availability. Okay, so that means if any CPU alerts, memory alerts, server down alerts, or any errors, okay, now number of users logged in more, or number of open files are more in your server. Okay, so immediately you will come to know that. oh, some server has problem. So that name it is showing, right? I will log into the server. Immediately I'll fix the issue based on the criticality. Yeah, I heard some voice. Tell me.
Hi, Amar. Here we are showing that agent and management both are in same host status summary. So we don't have different what can you say places. So both are in same.
No, different. మళ్ళీ ఇంకా వేరు ఉంటే ఎడిషనల్ వర్క్ అన్నట్టే కదా. సో మనకు సింగిల్ సెంట్రలైజ్డ్ ప్లేస్ అన్నమాట ఇది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సెంట్రలైజ్డ్ ప్లేస్ వేర్ ఐ కెన్ మేనేజ్ ఆల్. ఓకేనా? If again I have master separate, slave separate, monitoring dashboard, unnecessary additional thing, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, but actually master will be the one, but the slaves will be many, right? So then how will come to know that where is the slaves and
Here
master?
it is showing as local host. The names it is showing. Okay, na. Don't worry about that. See, here it local host means master.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay, na. For other things, it will show like host names or server IP address. So here, if something happen, example, something warning critical. If you click on that, it will show you the server name in which server you have the problem. So we no need to bother about the host name then, right? Example, see here, it is showing the server name when you click on the services. So in which server I have problem, you will come to know that, right?
Okay, we can go directly. Okay.
Directly we can find out the IP address here. So that IP address I will search in my dashboard. Here I will search. Where is my IP address? So that server only you will come to know that then. Understood?
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So this is about monitoring, guys. ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది దీంట్లో, కానీ అంత అవసరం లేదు మనకి, because we don't take care monitoring. Okay, na. So we don't take care about the monitoring. Just you should know that only for small projects we will take care the monitoring. If it is small project, because they don't have the budget. Sometimes client they don't want to hire multiple teams. Okay, na. So that time only, if it is small project, if they don't have enough budget, then they will ask you to monitor. But dadap aithe, like we don't take care. Okay, most of the times, even I never done that monitoring part. But you should know the usage of monitoring, I mean the purpose of monitoring, as well as how to set up. This is one of the tool, guys. There are so many other tools available. Even application logs also available, guys, like Splunk, ELK, okay, na, Prometheus, Grafana, like different tools available for monitoring the infrastructure as well as your inside metric. And guys, this is external tool actually, but along with that we have one internal AWS service also to monitor our infrastructure. Do you know anybody? Do you know that? What is AWS internal service to monitor the services?
Fault tolerance and the SNS both will work, right? I mean, SNS will send out the notifications and the fault tolerance will show what are the criticals kind of stuff.
Okay. So what about CloudWatch?
Yep. CloudWatch is like an event log. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So CloudWatch also you can use, but it's paid again. CloudWatch. By using this also, you can monitor. This is only for AWS. If you are using AWS, then CloudWatch is also there. Okay, na? But again, if you are using on-premises, or on-premises means my own data centers, guys. I have the hardware. Example, some like most few organizations, they have their own data centers also. Okay, na. So in that case, again we'll go with some third party. So So with CloudWatch also you can go with your monitoring, guys, if it is your servers are available in AWS. Okay, yeah, this is how about the monitoring part, guys. Okay, so this is enough for about the NAGIOS. So in Monday Club, but as as I told, guys, along with the class, always go with my Google Drive also. If anybody don't have my Google Drive, ping me again, not personally, in your respected group chat only. Okay, na? So then I will provide that Google Drive link also. Even if you have any useful document, guys, please send it to me so that it will be helpful to everybody. Okay, na? Yeah. So
Okay, sir.
then we'll meet on Monday. So now, guys, who joined newly, we don't have class in weekend. Okay, we'll meet on Monday then with new topic. So
Thank
please
you, Amar.
practice, guys. If you practice, then only you can understand the things, guys. Simply listening, it won't help you. You also should try many things along with the class. ఇప్పుడు సార్ చెప్పలేదు కదండి ఇవన్నీ వదిలేయద్దు. Try to just touch base at least. What is this? What is this? What is this? You will get more ideas then. Okay, na. Please make sure that do your part also. Show some dedication. Yeah. Okay then, guys. We'll meet
Okay,
then
sir.
on Monday. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.